Have you ever wanted to add modern digital degradation to your tracks for a raw, glitchy vibe? That's where Codec comes in, a unique plugin designed to replicate the artifacts and imperfections of internet audio compression. Unlike traditional lo-fi effects, Codec specializes in mimicking the quirks of digital transmission, like voice calls or streaming audio. Start by dropping Codec onto your track. The compression simulation recreates how platforms like Discord or WhatsApp process audio, adding subtle or not so subtle artifacts. If you want to push the effect further, enable the packet loss simulation to introduce dropouts or repeated glitches, mimicking poor internet connections. It's perfect for crafting chaotic, glitch-heavy textures. For even more character, explore the crunch section. Here, you can enhance specific frequency ranges during compression and then pull back the gain afterward, leaving behind a rich layer of digital grit. And with multiple mode options like voice, music, or low latency, you can tailor the effect to fit vocals, instruments, or entire mixes. Codec's intuitive interface also lets you tweak bit rates, bandwidth, and visualized artifact filtering, giving you total control over the degradation process. Want to take your sound design even further? Comment Codec below, and we'll send you a link to download the plugin.